This is a 2005 Corvette. Customer had straight pipes on it. It was way too loud. So he brought me some actually original mufflers that have been altered. I'm not exactly sure how. Cut them open and did something to them. We reinstalled those for him. But then also we installed a vacuum pump kit to open and close those things. The lines there. So, works pretty good. You can actually see them open. Works good. There you go. So I mounted just put it here in the back. Pretty much pump seems to run all the time until you shut it off. Then it makes it louder. Just ran a power wire under the rug and right into the cigarette lighter plug inside of there. All right, there you go.